The working memory is an information storage system within the brain in which pretty much all information that is consciously aware to us is stored at a certain point of time. That means only information that is represented or stored in working memory is consciously available to us for solving problems, for making decisions, for making judgments. So it is a very important concept because it determines what kind of information is available to us at a certain point of time. What is important to understand about foreign language use is that it uses up some of your available working memory capacity, leaving fewer resources left for other cognitively demanding tasks at work. And firms need to be aware of this cognitively depleting effect, in particular multinational enterprises that have more recently introduced English as a common corporate language, requiring all employees from a certain management level onwards to communicate in English. This has been primarily looked at from a communication perspective in terms of that it facilitates communication within the worldwide operations of the firm, but what firms have neglected is the fact that it has a cognitively depleting effect on their employees. So in our research we propose certain ways of how firms can support their employees to deal with the multiple demands of having to work on cognitively demanding tasks and communicate in a foreign language. So for example, firms can help employees to reduce the cognitive load imposed by a foreign language by providing them with language training, because the better you speak the language, the lower is the cognitively demanding effect of using a foreign language. Secondly, they can help them to save resources throughout the day by allowing them to revert back into their native language whenever possible. And thirdly, they can help them to replenish depleted resources by, for example, providing them with glucose, which is essentially brain fuel. Firms can help employees to recover depleted resources.